You see, what's really good with Cursor is that it learns from its mistakes, or it learns from the errors it receives. If it receives an error, it will automatically run again a new patch or something different to fix the issue, or at least to attempt fixing the issue. So you don't have to copy paste things or to do things manually. It will automatically attempt fixing the issues happening there. I mean, the issues or external issues, usually it's always external issues. The AI model doesn't want to have any errors, but sometimes it's like a mismatch of versions or there are just errors, basically depending on the complexity of the project. And to give you an example here, like it tried to submit a build to the App Store and then there was an error and automatically it went back changing the version of the package, of the npm package. So it plays with the package manager and then it will downgrade the package or upgrade the package and so on to get it work. And it will listen for the output of each comment, and from there it will be able to know if there was an error or not. And so you don't have to say, oh, there was this error. It will read that error and it will rearrange the code base to have the code base passing and working for the specific task you have asked Cursor to do. So here I'm with the default model. So usually I use Claude 3.7 for now, or the thinking mode as well. It's also great. So yeah, it's really fantastic. I've been super happy so far. It's really a game changer compared to Copilot or JetBrains AI Assistant or Tab9. I was using Tab9 a while ago, but it's just actually auto-completion. It doesn't do magic. It doesn't do magic like what Cursor does. Alright, so here it installs the templates, and my computer's not happy because it needs more RAM. I mean, it's not about the storage, it's just that it doesn't have enough memory. Alright, so here we do accept that. Yes. Oh no, I didn't want to cancel. Sometimes that happens if you do accept or something like this. It will misunderstand. And no, of course not. I had to say yes. Ouch. That's okay. I will just do... Yes. I will let again the AI do what it needs to do. So here it's still waiting. I will maybe close. Oh, that one is still running too. Oh, so I have 3. And what about this one? Yeah, I will close that one for now. Alright, so now I have 3. Yes, 3 of them. Perfect. Accept. There, that's okay. And here. Alright, I do accept the file there. Do you see it removes automatically the pod file, and then it does a CD, there's an error there. It will attempt to fix that error, the one there, with the Node.js. Sometimes it does a loop actually because it doesn't find any options, any solution, and it wastes a lot of time looking at the solution. But believe me, like, this is so much cheaper than any software engineer, and it is really a good software engineer, a smart one, and so cheap, like $20 a month. You will barely find someone for $20 a month in India, for instance, and a senior software engineer usually nowadays in India, where you can find good software engineers, they're like $30 an hour. So $20 a month, impossible. So yeah, Cursor, it's so cheap actually. Imagine what person will accept to work for $20 a month. Even in the country where the cost of life is really low, for a really good software engineer, it's impossible. Impossible. Otherwise it would be like someone who doesn't know how to code. So, but AI, it's like a really good software engineer for $20 a month. This is slavery. Poor AI. I'm sorry for you. You are not getting paid a lot. My poor AI. Yeah, I'm speaking to my AI now. Hello, cursor. Hello, Claude. Yeah, Claude is actually a name, a male name. Claude. Mr. Claude, how are you? Alright, are we there? Sometimes cursor can be quite slow because again it does a lot of checking the background. It saves you time, but it also, because of that, it seems a little bit slow from time to time, but it's actually in the long term it saves you a lot of time. It's just that it's smarter than the average AI extension code editor. Oh, here I got Nishi as well. Oh no, yeah, it's not set, but it is required. Okay. I'm sorry for that, I didn't know. And then that's just a warning, isn't it? And then reason. I will add that to the chat. I really like that feature to add it directly to the chat. That's so nice. And then here, let's continue. And let's just wait. I will trying to see if I can make some space. Oops. No, not really. When you export videos with ScreenFlow, but actually iMovie is even worse. iMovie it makes huge enormous, like so huge files, really large. And ScreenFlow it's actually better, but still not best, because here I'm like, I see this popping out all the time. But it's running out of application memory. It's a bit annoying. But cursor it's quite a lot of application memory, as you can see, 16 gigabytes. But ScreenFlow is like, wow, 88, seriously? For just 2 or 3 videos max? It's a bit crazy. Especially when it's in 4K, it consumes a lot of storage. I mean, a lot of application memory. Alright. Yep. This. Yes. And so what can I build now? Now that you have the coordinate, we can proceed to build in. Yeah, yes, build then. Perfect. So apply all. Alright, git status. Yes. So EAS build. I'm logged in, so it should work. All. And here, yeah, still the same. Alright, so that will pretty much be all for this video. I wish you all the best and happy coding.